What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode on Keeping It Real with Credit. Now, if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing because on this channel, we talk anything and everything regarding credit, personal finance, real estate, investments, automotive, you name it, you're gonna find it here. Now, as you already know, my name is Ray from Keeping It Real, and on today's episode, we're gonna be talking about how to read your credit report. Now, reading your credit report is important because errors can definitely cost you the chance of buying your next home, car, and possibly cost you thousands of dollars in high interest rates, and nobody has time for that. So make sure to pay close attention to this video because each and every one of you guys can definitely benefit from the information. Your credit report is a summary of your credit history, and it includes personal information such as your name, address, social security numbers, your payment history, and public records. When reading your credit report, however, make sure that all the information listed is actually listed correctly. And first take a look at your personal information. You want to make sure that your name is actually spelled correctly and that there are no variations to your name, including aliases or previous names if you actually don't have any. Now, please check your date of birth. We've seen this many times where the bureaus have one of our clients' date of birth listed incorrectly. And you also want to make sure that your current address is correct and any former addresses that you don't recognize to be removed immediately. What about other accounts? And whether they're positive or negative, do you recognize them? And is all the information on there listed correctly? And do you recognize the inquiries and the places you've applied for credit? It's important to fix all of the errors on your credit report because you don't want your report to be associated with somebody else who may have a similar name as yours and be mixed up with a family member or accounts that actually don't belong to you. Remember, any information that appears on your credit report can be disputed. And if you find any mistakes, dispute the information with the credit bureaus and the company that provided the information and ask them to correctly update the records. And as a matter of fact, stated by the FTC or the Federal Trade Commission, the credit bureaus must investigate your claim and make any necessary updates to the information within 30 days of receiving your dispute. The credit bureaus must also contact the company that provided the information, and if the company finds the information was inaccurate, they must notify all three major credit bureaus to correct your file. That's why it's so crucial to send out your dispute letters by certified mail with return receipt in order to hold the credit bureaus accountable to the 30-day time frame. We actually send all the letters out for our clients. In this way, this helps us track exactly when the letters got delivered and when the 30-day time frame is up. Remember, we offer a free credit evaluation where we take a look at all your reports and scores from all three major credit bureaus and provide you with a customized analysis that will give you all the details of what's negatively impacting your credit score, and we aggressively go after these negative items with an aggressive disputing campaign, disputing everything from personal information to accounts and inquiries. Now, if you like the information on this video, make sure to click the link in the description below, the very first one, however, to schedule your free credit evaluation with us. And with that being said, guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share with family and friends, and on to the next episode on Keeping It Real with Credit. Peace.